What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati. One more time with another fresh one. Today I have a basic ABC skin taper. I'm not gonna cut the top. The customer is trying to grow his top out. So taper on the left, taper on the right, skin taper at the neck, fresh lining. Let's go! Hey, shout out to Cuts from Custom Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Tico Cuts, the only Filipino barber in the world. What's up? Barber Illuminati. Let's go! All right, quickly. We're gonna raise the chair right quick. This video is gonna be fast. I'm in a hurry. We're all in a hurry. It's, I believe it's August 31st, 2019. I haven't recorded a video in a while. Thank God I found this young man here. He's willing, I'm willing, we're more than willing. Everybody's excited. I'm excited. Labor Day weekend is here. Oh wow. We are off on Monday. No school on Monday. Hey, hopefully I can record a video on Monday. How about that? Alright. Boom. Alright. Quickly I'm going to do my first guideline with my OA as usual. Let me adjust the chair a bit so you guys can see the entire work. Boom. All right. This is my OA guideline. Shout out to Vic the Barber. The real Vic the Barber is with us today. Barber Illuminati. Shout out to Miss Regina. Miss Regina from out of Texas. I see you. Gonzo the Barber, I see you. Miguel Torres, I see you. This is my 000 into the OA. Then my 50 below it. Then we're gonna move on. All right, quickly. I'm gonna use my number 2 blade. Then my 1.5 below the number 2. My 1/8 below the 1.5. Then my 1. If you're familiar with watching my videos, you can easily predict my steps because I do the same thing over and over and over. I cannot be misunderstood. Boom. All right, we're looking good already. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps, but this time I'm gonna go with my 1.5 with the grain to kind of clear the bulk above the taper. Okay. Actually, my number 2 with the grain. Against the grain, trying to clear the bulk above my taper. Then my 1.5 on the same manner that I just did with the number 2 until the bulk completely disappears. We're getting there. All right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start the same process I originally did The second guideline with the number 2. Quickly. We're looking good. I still have the number 2 on. One and a half. Going with it. 1 and a half again. Corner, corner, corner. Boom. We're looking good. A little bit of that 1A below the 1 and a half. Jamie, when you're ready, let me know, please. Boom. All right. We're going to do the right taper right quick. Right taper. Boom. Good. It's going to be a fast taper. We're pressing for time. Boom. I'm going to go ahead and create my first guideline with the OA blade, as usual. Triple 0. First 0. Then I'm going to move on to my number 2. That's in number 2 with it. And the 1 and a half. One A. One. OA. A tad bit of the 000, just a tad bit of it. Just the corners, or the tips. Boom. All right, we're looking good. All right, quickly, I'm going to be doing the neckline. using the corner of the outliner. Boom. All right. Now we're going to move to the front hairline. All right. I'm going to break the front down just a little bit with my 1.5 blade. It's a little bulky. I'm going to break it down just a tad bit. One of the subscribers asked me to do a video about aligning. I decided, hey, let me go ahead and include the front hairline on this haircut. Just to kind of make things a little bit more valuable. Let's go. All right. The way I do my lining is I start in the center.
It was a bit more like 5%. And it's healing inside the
I start in the center. And then if I'm going to take some space, I take my space in the center. Wherever there's curves, I minimize the curves. That's very much the foundation of my lining. I minimize curves, so if the lining has a lot of curves in it, my goal is to minimize it and to make the hairline as straight and clean as possible. Boom. All right. A little bit of a C-cut. I'm going to zoom in a little bit better. Boom. We're almost done here. Boom. All right, we're gonna move on. Actually, I'm gonna leave the camera right here. I'm just gonna move on to the other side. And I'm gonna do the other side quickly, and then we're gonna shut it down. Victor Barber, would you look at this over for me, please? Boom. Let's finish this side of the line. Just the mustache, really. Make sure everything balanced from side to side. Boom.
Like right in here, you mean? So, right. Wait. Oh, you're talking about the actual head.
I think it's best that I turn the customer the other way. All right, here we go. Much better. So you guys can see what's going on. Okay, wherever there's curves, I go right to it and minimize it and go as straight as possible when approaching the corners. So I don't make the corners curvier. It's a bit too much light. On the camera I can see. It's all good. This video is almost done anyway. A little bit of C-cut. Boom.
I'm only 40, man, so I always different styles or something, you know, long. They get it real thick, yeah, you know, I know.
Boom. All right, we're looking good. I'm gonna touch up the neckline on this side a little bit, even though I already did it. I'm gonna go over it one more time to make sure it's nice and sharp. Lift up the chair a bit. Boom. All right. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. If you watch the video all the way this far, you're truly a fan. I admire you for that. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Look at this. This is beautiful. Wow. This is awesome. All right, I'm going to do a quick spin. Then we're going to shut it down. All right, quickly. I want you guys to see the entire work. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. You got the back tape here? Oh my God. This is amazing work. Wow, all detachable blade is serious. Wow. Wow. This is incredible. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, if you feel free to look me up on Instagram, Barber Illuminati.